This is the first video of December. Is this Vlogmas? Good morning. I was gonna get up and film a little morning routine, and then I was like, it's not happening. I'm just not feeling it. I'm not going to the gym. I'm so just tired. It's just one of those days. It's one of those weeks where I just don't have the energy. Some days I force it and force myself to move and get going. And sometimes you just accept it. Even though I'm not gonna get my workout in, I'm gonna just get some stuff done around the apartment. I'm gonna get some work done still. And I want to put my Christmas tree up. Thanksgiving's over. We went to Dallas, was with Teron's family, and like I was moving nonstop since the moment I got there. We drove down Thanksgiving morning, like super early. I was cooking and stuff all day. Then we took a nap, woke up, ate some more. Next day, went to the gym and went and spent time with his dad. And then we were like, you want to go home? Let's just go home. And we decided to just drive home. So we ended up being there only for a day. Being in your own space and being in your own bed, just nothing compares. So we're just going to vlog the day. You know, that's what we're doing. We're doing a little daily vlog. First, let's go make breakfast. So I've been back on my protein coffee, which I hadn't had in forever because when we moved from Denver to Texas, my Keurig was missing. Came up missing. And then of course it was just like Black Friday, so I was like, you know what, let me just go buy a little Keurig, and this was on Amazon for like 50 bucks. Let me tell you something about protein coffee. It's not for everybody, okay? Not everybody's gonna like it, especially if you're like a coffee drinker. I'm not a coffee drinker. I love the taste of coffee, but I don't drink it for energy or to do anything for me. I just like the taste, that's it. I actually do decaf, but instead of just having just like a plain old protein shake, or actually make it a protein smoothie, because sometimes I don't want a protein smoothie, but I want to get my protein in. I love protein coffee. And also the taste is going to drastically change based on what kind of protein you're using. These like donut shop decaf ones from H-E-B, they're not that great. Protein, I'm just finishing up this massive thing of PE Science. I'm gonna finish it so it doesn't go to waste, but I ordered some Beam protein. Because the protein powder is already sweet, I don't add anything else to it outside of almond milk. And then I also put in my Avositol, which I take for PCOS. And you can look up what Avositol does, but it just kind of helps regulate insulin. It can help with your menstrual cycle and all of that, so. I've been stuck on a bacon and egg breakfast sandwich. I've been having it every day this week. I also haven't had like regular bacon in so long. If you don't eat pork, that's fine. Don't eat pork, eat turkey bacon or whatever else you choose, but I eat pork, okay? The sandwich is very simple. Sourdough, sharp cheddar cheese, an egg, bacon, put some baby arugula on top, and then for the little sauce, all it is sriracha mayo. It's just a spicy mayo. That's it. Got my breakfast here, but I'm also going to take my supplements. I've listed them out before, but I'll go through them again every time I take them just in case there's somebody new here. I'll link every single one down below as well. I'm gonna start off with my multivitamin from the brand Thorne. It's 2 of these. Zinc, omega fish oil, and then my saw palmetto, CoQ10. I'm almost out. I only got 2 left. And vitamin D3 plus K2. I'm going to just Not very good. So these are like my daytime supplements. And then at nighttime, my magnesium glycinate. I always take this before bed. I swear I sleep so good with magnesium. It's just, you need magnesium. And then I just started back up taking berberine. And this is for PCOS. So it helps with your insulin levels. It helps with like lowering testosterone. It helps with inflammation. I took this before. And this one recommends 3 capsules, so 1,500 milligrams. I'm not doing that. I'm only taking 500 milligrams. But when I first started, I was taking it in the daytime because you want to take it before like your big meals. I was so bloated, like painfully bloated. And so I stopped taking it. I wanted to start back up again just because like the studies on it are so good. Now I'll take it with my last meal of the day. I'll take it before like dinner. And I am still bloated, but then a few hours later I'm going to bed. And then I wake up perfectly fine. So throughout the day, I'm not bloated. I'm gonna be taking it like that for the next 30 days to see how it helps. And then I'll adjust from there. Wait, you know what I just realized? This is the first video of December. Is this Vlogmas? Are we doing Vlogmas? Damn, am I doing Vlogmas? I'm sorry, I can't post every day. When people be doing Vlogmas, they be posting every day. I can't do it. But am I dropping 3 or 4 vlogs a week? Maybe. I don't know. I want to commit, but then I don't. Video 1 for Vlogmas. Let's go. We decorating the tree today anyway. Got some packages in. Just some stuff that I ordered for Black Friday. I didn't do much because the brands were planned this year. 20% off is not a Black Friday sale. If it's not 50, 60, 70, if it's not free, it's not Black Friday. 10 to 20% off from some brands I really wanted to shop for. I was so disappointed. I got some stuff from Skims. Like there was just not, like even Skims, like their biannual sale hits better than their Black Friday sale did. But there was just like a couple things that were cheaper. Like I got this little bralette. Whoa, I don't know if I'm gonna like that. How much is this gonna cover? This does not have a lot of stretch. They actually still have some stuff on sale that I might grab that I have in the cart just because. Also needed a new bra. What size is this? I had a 34 double D. Dang, my boobs are massive right now. Hold on, let me cut this. Yep, that fits. 34 double D. But I have a bra that's a 34D. Yeah, and it's a little too small right now. Like my boobs are huge. Because my boobs, you know, the size be changing. With my weight fluctuation, my boobs change, okay? And then I've never ordered a Skims bikini, and this one was like super cheap, so I thought I would grab it. But I love this like little high cut, cheeky. I'm not like a full thong bikini, but I like a very cheeky. Like, I want the booty out, but like, not all the way out, you know? It's just a basic, but you know, the material, the quality is really, really good. I don't know if y'all saw that Good Molecules ad from every influencer left and right. Was I influenced? Yes, I was. Because I was literally saying I want a little mini fridge, like a skincare fridge. And Good Molecules had it going for like 15 bucks. The influencer was influenced because I am very easily influenced. Here she is. She's deep. See if my products are in here because I did order some skincare. It is, look at how cute. Little shelf I can put on in here or take out. And then I got some hyaluronic acid essence because I love me an essence. Oh, and this glass, this is heavy. Okay. I needed some hyaluronic acid serum. I ran out, so I just got some more of that. A gentle retinol as well. This one, I won't put this in the fridge, but you know, maybe like my eye cream or my under eye patches and stuff. You can just pop it in the fridge. Cute. 15 bucks, but all of this cost me $30. $30. So their sale was Black Friday selling. I'm dressed, ready. My fanny pack, got some extra batteries, water, and I'm taking a little snack. I just got a banana with peanut butter on there.
That's disgusting.
I love bananas. He hates bananas. I'm leaving. Give me a kiss. Want me to kiss you with a banana in my mouth? Alright, here's the plan. Dollar Tree first. Because the Dollar Tree, you can find some like gyms there. So go there first. And then you can hit up like the other stores. Then I'll go to Michael's. Because they always got deals and discounts going on. And then lastly, I'll go to like Walmart and Target. Go from the cheapest to the most expensive. Because you'll be surprised at what you find at the cheaper stores. Alright, the options are very slim in the Dollar Tree. I'm not feeling the colors that they have, but it's very red. It's very red in here, and not the color green I was going for. Like, there's this green, but I want to go like, what is it? Is it forest? Is it considered forest green? I just want deep, deep green. I do like the pine cones. Alright, so Dollar Tree was a bust. It's sometimes hit or miss, and the one out here was a miss. So I went to Michael's. I actually bought a lot of stuff from Michael's. I'm pretty sure I bought more than what I needed, but I'd rather get too much than not enough and have to get back and go back to the store. If anything, I can return anything that I don't use. I don't think I need to go to Target, but what I am going to do, I am going to go to Walmart and just to shop around and just to see. Home. I ended up stopping at Walmart. They had some really good ribbon that I was thinking of buying. They didn't have any good ornaments though. I mean, there was a lot of ornaments, but just not the colors I was looking for. I didn't really buy any like decor to go on the countertops or anything yet, or the tables, just because I want to wait and see what I still have, because I don't even know if I even kept anything or if I just like threw everything out. Pine cones. This is the same one I had last year too. And then I just got white and then this velvet green. Let's see in the light. Oh, I think it's good enough. It's good enough. Got the green. I got some white, and this is just solid white. And then we got a sparkly white, which you probably won't be able to see on camera. And then the sparkly gold. Y'all see how he just be roughing me up?
Oh, that's on?
Yeah. Yes, it's on. So I made a quick I made a quick trip to Walmart because I had to pick up some hooks. The fact that they sell the balls with no hooks is annoying. And then I got some peppermint bark. I'm gonna actually do the balls first and then the ribbons after. Damn. Alright, so this is not my favorite tree that I've done. I don't know, I'm just really not feeling it. I don't know if it's the colors, I don't know what it is, but it's gonna stay for now. I might adjust it over the next week or so to see, but I'll show you. Also, I ordered a skirt, just like a white skirt on Amazon, waiting for that to come in. Hold on, it's dark, let me... And then I just got this cute little setup for now on my island. I also ordered a wooden tray right now. This is just a placemat. But just something simple. I'm not going like super decorative this holiday season, but I wanted a tree. And then I'll probably hang us some stockings like right here on the wall because we don't have a fireplace. Oh, my back is killing me. But that is going to be a wrap for the first little vlog of Vlogmas. If you don't know what Vlogmas is, it's pretty much YouTubers just vlogging every day leading up to Christmas. And it's just like little daily vlogs. I will be doing every other day because I'm not vlogging every single day. I don't even be doing that much to vlog every day. But this is vlog number 1. And thanks so much for tuning in. And I will see you guys in 2 days.